You get him, Dr. Cobb? Uh-oh. Dr. Cobb, 0 for 1. My GoPro keeps score. Well, you kicked the log? Okay. Yeah, it's still thick right there. I hadn't got to yet. Yeah. Yeah. Shout out. Oh, yeah. We definitely want to go down, look down into the woods. Yeah, just go halfway. You go right there, Ben. Got him! Yep. Woo! That was a good shot. He crying over here. That's how it's done. He is. Good job, girls. Good job. Way to get him. Way to get him. Yeah. Way to get him. Way to get him. Yeah. I don't know. You might take him on the backside. It's like she saw him. She saw him. Yep. Yeah, when she saw him. Get him. Sweet. 1 for 1. What's that? She saw him. When she barked like that, I knew she saw him. Nice rubs up here. Nice big rubs on these trees.
Well, all right. We didn't go far though. Well, it don't seem like far, man.
Now I read it. It had a good run. That's the kind of run I like to see on video. Not a bad one. Yeah.
It might not be the same one you saw up in the hole.
Same one. That's him. Mm-hmm. Yep, that's him.
I'm gonna take him back down through that.
Yeah. Good job, girls. Good job, pup. Way to go. 1 for 1. Let's go get another one. Rolled him on a second. Yep. There you go. Wrap it up. Yep, got him. There he is, pup. There he is. There he is. There he is. There he is. There he is, Lucy. Here he come. He's stuck between me. Coming to you, Uncle Irvin. You can take him. You can take him. Nobody can get him? Yeah, he was small. Yeah, that cat was so tight to you. Only that's how you do is this. They go in a hole? Wow. Uh-oh.
Maybe a hole. If it ain't a hole, he in that log. He's probably hanging tight. There you go. John, can you see him?
Heck no. He ain't believe y'all. Wrap it up, Junior! Sean! Wrap it between y'all!
Coming to you, Sean.
I thought y'all saw that thing up the whole time.
Man, I ain't seen nothing.
Yeah, he was there. He jumped out when you came out. When you came out, he jumped out another one. Yeah, then when Uncle Irvin did all that shooting, he stopped right there, and I was like, is that the same rabbit? And then he went back. I was like, oh, that's different.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, when you literally came out, he jumped out. I saw it, and I was like, why ain't I saying rabbit to you? But, yeah.
Nah, I was turning around to go get out of here.
Nah, he came out when you...
You get him, John? All right, good.
Nice. So 2 were in there. Got both of them. Nice. Yeah, that's a nice one.
I would have never saw him if they did.
I was like, yo, rabbit is like running between the 2 of y'all right now. That's a nice one. Nice rabbit. Oh, yeah. That's a nice size one. Yep, that was funny.
I'm going to keep this choke on this one, man.
Yeah, you lighten them up. That was a good one. Good corner. Yeah, he was just going to cruise between the 2 of y'all. He was like, I'm out.
I wouldn't even thought it going to be safe. Yeah, I would never saw it, man. I guess we did keep one person on his back. Yeah, you can bag that one.
Yeah, they didn't jump it. They clueless. Somebody say you need shells, Uncle Irvin? Somebody say you need shells? Yeah. Oh, he said no. He said he got plenty. So we got 2 rabbits out of that one. 2 for 2 for that situation. It didn't go nowhere. It just bedded down right there, Jay. It ain't go nowhere. Yeah. She at least got him hunting now. Got him. Yep. Ching-ching. He was too close the first one. Just too close. Yeah. He did. Man, they were on him, yo. Yeah, she saw him. There he is, ladies and gentlemen. There he is. They always come right back in front of you, man. Every time. Hey, it's pup. Hey, it's pup. Hey, he is. Hey, he is. Brandy always come back when the shot goes down. Good job, girls. Way to go, Lucy. Way not to quit on that one, girl. Way not to quit. Hey, it's good job. You got him. It was all you, girl. You got him.